Hi, my name is Trevor Davison and I'm coming to you from Maryland. I just wanted to take a quick second to let you know about the Mercury M1 Premium Gaming Mouse from GravaStar. It's this guy right here. First, let me tell you about the design. This thing is funky, but in a good way. So it looks like it's from outer space. It looks like a little alien egg pod that the Mars Pro or your Supernova would hatch out of. So I think that's really cool. And definitely, like I said, they have a very distinctive design. So for me, the way that I use the mouse, the palm grip is it's the most comfortable for me. It's my go-to. And I find that this mouse fits this palm perfectly. So the feature that I like most about this mouse though is the battery life. It is incredible. But when that eventually does drain out, you have a USB-C option, which is quite convenient. Speaking of connectivity, this mouse gives you 3 options to choose from: a 2.4 gigahertz wireless, a virtually zero lag option, Bluetooth, and as I mentioned, the USB-C wired connection. Next, we have to get into the software of this thing, which is super straightforward and very easy to use. And it allows you to set up and customize the mouse to your liking and your gaming needs, which I definitely appreciate them taking the time and care to do that. And of course, you can't have a gaming mouse without LED lights, right? So this thing has that in spades, which is customizable also through the app. So I thought that was a really cool feature as well. Okay, well, let's go ahead and sum this up. I think this is a great gaming mouse and an everyday driver option. So if you're in the market for, or if you're looking for a new mouse, definitely check this guy out. Like I said, the design of this mouse is like no other mouse that I've ever seen on the market, and with 3 different connectivity options, a long-lasting battery, some pretty cool LEDs, I have to say that I have definitely enjoyed my experience with this mouse, and if you pick one up, I don't think you'd regret it. So definitely go ahead, give them a look. Again, it's the Mercury M1 Gaming Mouse from GravaStar. Thanks, and until next time, enjoy your gaming.